minus 2 gives us 0. And again, here we have 2 minus 2, which again gives us 0. And 0 times 0 is equal to just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. Accordingly, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? Parentheses is priority number 1. And the second thing to solve is exponent. And exponent is priority number 2. And the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. It is priority number 3. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. It is priority number 4. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? Because multiplication clearly has higher priority than subtraction. So we have to solve multiplication first, right? We have to solve multiplication above subtraction. So that is the idea. So let's go back into our problem. In our problem, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and another subtraction. So which one to do first? Of course, the multiplication, right? So 2 times 2 gives us 4. And the problem becomes 2 minus 4 minus 2. And 2 minus 4 gives us negative 2. And negative 2 minus 2 is equal to negative 4. So the final answer to this question is negative 4.